Good morning. So I thought I would take you guys along with me today to get ready with me. Sorry my voice is like so crackly, I just woke up. We should brush our teeth because my breath smells horrible. I don't really use anything to wash my face in the morning unless I'm feeling super nasty. Put on some contacts. This is some leftover witch hazel I poured over to a bottle. And then I'm gonna moisturize, of course. I'm gonna be using the Murad Day Moisture. My really good friend Lisa gave me this vitamin E oil. So I just do like 2 or 3 drops. And then I mix it. This just creates like a really nice base because my skin gets dry like throughout the day. And it also gets oily at the same time. I don't know. My skin's really confusing. This morning, we're gonna be using instant coffee. This is usually what I use because it was the cheapest thing at the store. And also it's really fast. Splash. Maybe a little more. I usually like to keep allowing the skincare stuff and the oil to sink into my skin and my coffee cool down. Now I'm gonna go pick out some clothes. This usually takes me the longest in the morning. Okay, I'm gonna prime my face today. This is the Fenty Beauty. Their primer is really, really good. Fenty Beauty has really just been killing it, like, let's be honest. I always go to my brows right away, so let's do that. So this looks crazy. And I'm gonna go in with some bronzer. I always have to have something on my eyelids because I feel like my eyelids are kind of veiny looking, so I just put like a wash. Especially since I'm going to school, I don't really feel the need to spend so much time on my makeup. Unless I have time that day, obviously. I mean, who doesn't love to be extra? Taking some mascara. Always use waterproof. We have to do our face now and hopefully clean up these brows. I used up all of this and I actually just put whatever foundation I'm using in the moment. I just put it in here as like a easy travel thing. I also kind of wanted to revert to like more BB creams. Oh, that was too much. This is still like kind of damp from yesterday's makeup, so I don't feel like I need to wet it again. I'm using the gold collagen marker eyeliner. This is from the Face Shop. This takes years and years of practice and I still haven't perfected the eyeliner. Always use some powder for your face. I'm gonna contour with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Tons and tons of blush. Put as much blush on as you want. I love this stuff. This stuff's amazing. I kind of just keep piling it on until I feel like the whole world sees me blushing. I've also been using, this is a sample from Lush. This is the Feeling Younger Skin Tint. It's basically just like a cream highlighter. Take whatever's left in the cap and then I use it as a highlight. Almost here. Go for like a neutral lipstick. And whatever's left over, you put it on your cheeks. Set with some kind of mist. This is gonna need some work. I feel a lot better in this outfit than the one before. Always do one last minute outfit change